Sit down and open the upper and lower buckles. Extend your leg while fitting the device. Ensure that the dosing ratchet is set to the 1 position. Place the device on your leg with the hinge on the affected side of the knee. Ensure proper alignment of the device on your leg by aligning the Össur logo on the hinge with the upper edge of your kneecap, and ensuring the front edge of the hinge cap is aligned with the midline of your leg. Next, fasten the buckle buttons to their color-matched keyholes. Place the blue lower buckle button into the blue calf shell keyhole above the buckle stability shelf, and use the palm of your hand to snap the lower buckle closed. Bend your knee to 80 degrees. Place the yellow upper buckle button into the yellow thigh shell keyhole and use the palm of your hand to snap the upper buckle closed. Bend your knee with your foot flat on the ground. Pull the dosing ratchet to the 5 position. Sit down with your leg extended. Press button on dosing ratchet and place it in the 1 position to release tension on the upper DFS strap. Bend your knee to 90 degrees and open both lower and upper buckles. Pull buckle buttons out of keyholes.